Schema All-in-One Schema Rich Snippets allows you to create snippets so that all relevant information from your posts or pages is displayed in Google search results, which will make your posts more detailed and attractive to people who search for content related to yours on Google. The problem is that managing your snippets can be tedious if you want to edit hundreds of posts or pages in a short time, as you have to open and edit the posts one by one. That's why, in this video, we show you how to view and edit your rich snippets in bulk using an intuitive spreadsheet, which we have thanks to the WP Sheet Editor plugin. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. After we have installed and activated the WP Sheet Editor plugin, we'll need to open the spreadsheet that we'll use. For this example, we'll use the posts spreadsheet, so we'll choose the spreadsheet here. Now you'll see the spreadsheet containing all your posts and their complete information. Every row is a post and every column is a field. Here you can see that all the fields created by the Rich Snippets plugin are displayed as columns too. If you don't want to edit all the posts at once, but only the ones that contain a specific keyword, category, tag, or any other parameter, the search tool is what you need. Once the tool is open, you can enter the search parameter you want. For example, we're going to search for all posts that belong to the fashion category. So enter the word fashion in this field. Select the category. And run the search. After that, all posts that belong to the fashion category will be displayed in the spreadsheet. Now we'll show you to change the rich snippet post type for all the selected posts. For that, let's open the bulk edit tool. Select to edit all the rows from the current search. Choose the BSF post type field. Then select the edit type set value. Now, let's set the video post type for the selected posts. Each post type has a code number, and the code for video is 9, so let's enter that number here. Then execute, and all the selected posts will be updated. If you want to change a specific rich snippet for all the selected posts, you can do it quickly with the bulk edit tool. Once the tool is open, select the rows to edit. Now we'll select the field BSF event price for this example. Let's select set value as the edit type. Then enter the new price. For example, we'll enter $15.99. Lastly, execute and the rich snippet price will be updated. Now let's see how can we replace a rich snippet image in bulk. To do so, we'll open the bulk edit tool. Then let's select the rows that we want to update. We'll choose the BSF event image field. Select replace as the edit type. Enter here the old image URL. And the new image URL here. Finally, just execute to apply the change to all the selected posts. As you can see, it is really easy to edit the fields created by Schema All-in-One Schema Rich Snippets in the spreadsheet provided by WP Sheet Editor plugin. Definitely, WP Sheet Editor simplifies the management of your WordPress sites by allowing you to filter and edit many posts, pages and custom post types with a few clicks. Remember that in the video description you'll find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.